Hello learners, welcome to Triaright. Today we will be washing out some of the examples for the method references. So firstly we will be preparing a program to use method references to sort list of strings ignoring cases. We will be providing a list of strings and we will be sorting them according to the ignoring the cases of them, according to the names provided and ignoring the cases of them. So first we have to import these packages, import java.tutorial.arrays, as we are creating a list here, array list. So we have to import java.tutorial.arrays. And now for this we are importing a list of things. So we are importing java.tutorial.list also plus these packages. So with this package we will be needing to import all these packages. And coming to the main class, we have the class name as method references sort example. Suppose we can name the class name as anything. So we should remember the first name of this class should be starting with uppercase letter. So it's capital M here. And following that, it can be uppercase letter or lowercase letter. So we have the method references as sort example as the class name, which has a main method line as public static void main string args. Now we are creating a list here, which has the generic type as string and that has that instance of fruits. We are creating the list by the name of fruits. We are creating the list by the name of fruits, and we are providing the list for giving a fixed size list, for providing the list with fixed data. We are giving arrays dot as list, and we are giving the list name of data in the list: banana, apple, mango, and orange. Banana, apple, orange, and mango and orange. Now we are using this. We are sorting these references without considering the cases in references. Now we are sorting this data without accepting the cases. Without accepting the cases, we are just sorting them. So we can use fruits.sort. This is the inbuilt method to sort the array list or things in that list. So we can use that fruits.sort. Fruits is the name of the list. Fruits dot sort is the name of the method. Dot sort string that is provided in the list string is to compare to ignore case, as we can print it is to compare to this. This says that strings that are they are compared without taking the value of their cases. So coming here, we have the system.println sort list. This is the message that we can be printed. Sort list is the message, and in reference to that we can prove fruits. That is the list of things that we are providing in the list, fruits. So after that we can be getting the output also. So coming to the end, we are at the end of the class. We'll meet in the next class. So thanks.